It's Erin with Cornell Studio Supply, and what I'm holding right here is an exclusive rear end of a salt cellar by John Britt. He is the master glaze guy. If you need to know anything about mixing high fire, cone 6, probably low fire too. I really hope you're testing those, John. He wrote a couple books. So there's your pig, right? Yep. Okay, he wrote a couple books. Here is what he came for our workshop a few years ago. I was pregnant and he goes, "Hey, Erin, let's do a workshop." I was like, okay, sure. Didn't know what that entailed 35 people later. But the complete guide to mid-range glazes. He blew the tops of all your heads off with all the wealth of information that he had during this lecture workshop. Came back for hands-on workshop, but I'm not going to talk about that one right now. So this is his other book, The Complete Guide to High-Fire Glazes. And it is one that if you do cone 10 glazes, you have to have it in your studio. So here's one of his cone 10 Shino in a wood kiln. I mean, look at that drip right there. Beautiful Shino marking. And then this is also a cone 10, I think. If I'm wrong, John, just make it in the comments. Look at that, beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, here's one of his mugs. This is his cone 6 oil. Here we go, his oil spot, cone 6, it's in the book, as is his crater glaze. There you go. Nice chair, totally covered, it's crazy. And he does have a few videos. This is one that we sell, is by Ceramic Arts Daily, but he has a couple that you can get off of his website. But again, here you go. The Guide to Mid-Range Glazes, complete guide, cone 6. There you go, look at that. Oh my God, it's just, his glazes are amazing, John. Absolutely amazing. Look, that's his cone 6 gold turd color, I think. I don't know, I don't remember what the name of that is. But anyway, he features a lot of cone 6 people. So if you don't, like, this thing has 400 recipes in it. It's worth the 2 minutes and 45 seconds, right? If you don't have it, check out our website or order it at his website. Thanks, John.